Nice even on the farm. My chickens and ducks. Bluebear, Sully, Daffy and Donald, a pair of khaki Canberra ducks. Red, who's been laying a lot of eggs. Nice little small eggs. Ginger, Peanut, need filthy water now. Blueberry. Don't know why they come over here because it's nothing but scrap. But that's Raven. Nice even here on the farm. Chickens going around scratching places. Just living their best life. Over here's the old horse stable, back when I had a horse. What I'm going to do is, like it's tipping over now. Look at that, it's tipping over. Yeah. What I need to do is clear out all this shit, all this scrap, all this junk. And scrap this old chicken coop as well. Buy a brand new one of these, then a new stable, and get some miniature horses, I think. There's some horses around this gaff. Lovely looking Sussex. A light Sussex and a buff Sussex. Really nice looking chickens. Now comes the worst part, is trying to get them back in. Especially these ducks. Oh. But now it's going to be a lot easier because those ducks most of the time are really hard to get in. I guess it's not too bad now. There's Red, my favourite chicken. Red, little Rhode Island red chicken. Had her for 3 weeks. She's really nice and really friendly. I'm gonna better get these chickens in because it looks like it's going to start raining soon. Little bear. Raven. She wants to go in. Hey, come on, Bluebell. Good chicken. Yeah, it's the flock mentality. When they all start following each other. Give them a bit of guidance. Come on. Good chicken. Catch Red, she's easy to catch. Good chicken. It's on your mohawk. Really nice, friendly chicken. These longer videos are fun to do. They get no views. Shorter ones, the shorts do a lot better. There you go. Raven and Ginger, they fly you. They're hard to catch them. With Sully, it's really easy. But one of my favourite chickens, she's big and heavy. It's Sully, great looking chicken. I think her and maybe Red might make them show chickens. Enter them into competitions, I don't know. Okay. Sorry. She's She's a tough chicken, so I like her because she got these nice green feathers coming through. She didn't get it. Yeah, that's good. That's a good chicken. She's got these really nice green feathers coming through. And the last one is Ginger. Really great chicken as well. Really nice colours, and she's big. She's very fighty. She's very scared. The first day I got her, she actually climbed up to a tree because she was so scared. There you go. That's good. Here are the chickens. Get them some fresh water now. They seem to be happy out. Thank you for watching.